Hi friends, let me give you a background story to the story of baby Moses in the basket. Long, long ago, in the land of Egypt, so after Joseph, his brothers, and everyone else in that generation had died, the people of Israel became so numerous that the whole region of Goshen was full of them. Many years later a new king came to power. He did not know what Joseph had done for Egypt, and he told the Egyptians, "There are too many of those Israelites in our country, and they are becoming more powerful than we are. If we don't outsmart them, their families will keep growing larger. And if our country goes to war, they could easily fight on the side of our enemies and escape from Egypt." So, the Israelites were mistreated. But even though the Israelites were mistreated, their families grew larger, and they took over more land. Finally, the king called in Shiphrah and Puah, the two women who helped the Hebrew mothers when they gave birth. He told them, "If a Hebrew woman gives birth to a girl, let the child live. If the baby is a boy, kill him." So, in the land of Egypt, a kind woman named Jochebed lived. She had a beautiful baby boy named Moses. Moses was a special baby, but there was a big problem. Pharaoh, the king of Egypt, was not very kind. He made a very sad rule. He said that
if a Hebrew woman gives birth to a girl, let the child live. If the baby is a boy, kill him.
Jochebed had a big plan. She made a special basket for Moses and gently placed him inside. She kissed him and whispered, "Don't worry, my little one, God will take care of you." Jochebed knew the river could be a safe place for Moses, so she gently let the basket float on the water. The basket moved slowly and peacefully downstream, just like a tiny boat. Just then, Pharaoh's daughter was walking by the river. She saw something shiny and curious in the water. It was the little basket with Moses inside. She opened it and, surprise, there was a sweet baby boy looking up at her with big, bright eyes. "Princess," with a gentle voice.
"Ah, look at you, little one. You are so cute. I will take care of you."
How clever! Miriam knew just what to do. She asked Pharaoh's daughter if she could find someone to help take care of the baby. And guess who Miriam brought back? Moses' very own mama, Jochebed. The princess was so happy to have someone who could care for the baby. God had a special plan for Moses, and now he would grow up strong and safe, cared for by his mama, Jochebed, and Pharaoh's daughter. God took care of baby Moses, just like he takes care of us. No matter what, God is always with us, watching over us with love. Let's all pretend to be like Moses in the basket. Put your hands together like a little basket and rock back and forth, just like the water is gently carrying Moses. Can you say, "Thank you, God, for taking care of us"? Thanks for joining me on this amazing adventure. Remember, you are special, and Jesus' love is for everyone. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to Sir Kirk's Kids Bible Adventures. Bye-bye.